Ngatho cia mwanya ni undu wa gucoka. Indeed it is a sad goodbye kuri kanitha uyu wa JCM after Damas Prayers gukorwo na a tough week thutha wa audio yake confessing maria arekaga na Bishop Ben kuri murata wake Wairimu Kimani. Dama has remained silent about the issue but akoretwo agithie na mbere na wira wake wa kwendia spare cia thimu and also charity work. Then we saw Kiengei comment on Wednesday kuria JCM about the leaked audio na Kiengei danonekana kuregana na what Dama confessed. Dama nionekana kuoya ikinya riake after trending the whole week na jabio nyingi muno. All said and done na akorwo akionania ati she has decided gukorwo akiaguta kanitha uyu wa JCM akiuga sheigana ni sheigana kuria akorwo akiandika irua riri twahota gukorwo tugikinyirwo nirio akiuga and I quote stepping down from the office of the matron na agatariria kauga I hope this finds you well. Please accept this letter as a formal notice of my stepping down from my position as the matron of Jesus Christ Compassion Ministries International, Neo JCM, effective today, the 13th September 2024. Akauga, I appreciate every opportunity that was presented on my line of duty, and I wish to transition out of my current role with immediate effect. I am committed to ensuring a seamless transition, and I'll be happy to assist in any way necessary to facilitate this process. Irua ria gisaino ni Damaris Wanjiru akiuga sheigana ni sheigana na wenda guikara JCM thutha wa jabio ici ciothe na wene gutia ire ndeto iria ciatukinyira ciugo cia muico na cia muthia cia Damas Prayers gutia kanitha uyu wa JCM ndigucitenderithia makiria ndacaria toria ciaginyira. Make sure ni ura turn on your notification oga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video cito tucamanie na wa next one.